To properly bleed Rotary's RLP77, first open the console and remove the filler breather cap. Then, fill the tank with 10 liters of Dexron III ATF. Next, make sure to turn the power to on. Then, close the valves located inside the control console, swinging them to the horizontal position. Push the up button on the console until the power unit goes to relief. Now, add an additional 5 liters of ATF. Next, open up the valves. At this point, the platforms may jump upward. Now, push the up button on the console until both platforms are at maximum rise. It is normal for one platform to rise before the other during this procedure. With the lift at full rise, bleed air from each cylinder by loosening the bleed screw while covering it with a bottle. During this procedure, the lift could lower slightly. Once air stops coming out, tighten the bleed screw and repeat the bleeding process on the second cylinder. Head back to the console and push the up button until both platforms stop moving at maximum rise, and continue bleeding the cylinders until no more air is in the system. After bleeding, raise the lift to maximum rise and close both of the valves located in the control console to the horizontal position. Now lower the platforms to the floor. Note: if the platforms stop before reaching the floor, open the valves, lower the lift completely, and then immediately close the valves. After lowering the platforms to the floor, you will need to raise the lift again to maximum rise and bleed both cylinders again. After bleeding, return to the control console and open the valves and raise the lift to maximum height. Immediately close the valves and lower. You've now properly bled a Rotary RLP77 Scissor Lift.